What's going on YouTube? It's Sean here, and in today's video, I'm here to give you guys an unboxing of my latest pickups from Nike.ca. So recently I came across a discount code which gave me a certain percentage off my entire purchase, so now let me open this up and show you guys what I picked up. So if the title in this video wasn't a big enough spoiler, all my pickups were Air Max 1s. The Air Max 1 is definitely one of my favorite silhouette of all time, and being able to grab a bunch of colorways for under retail was a no-brainer. So my first pickup was this Air Max 1 in the Desert Sand colorway. These were 145 Canadian dollars or $110 in the US. The official colorway for this shoe is Sand, Desert Sand, Sail, and White. I really like this one because I feel like this colorway is simple enough. It can pretty much go with any outfit that you want to wear, and overall it's just a very clean look. As you can see, pretty much the entire shoe is just different shades of white and beige, and it comes together really well. My second pickup was these Air Max 1s in the Mica green color. The official colorway for this one was Mica green, clay green, barely volt, and volt. Again, these retailed for 145 Canadian dollars or $110 in the US. Why I like this one was, again, the upper of the shoe was very understated. So there's different shades of like olive green and gray, but there's this accent of volt, as you can see on the swoosh, on the back heel, and on the tongue, and this gives it just enough pop to make this shoe shine. I find that sometimes less is more, and this colorway gives you that good balance between being a more understated conservative sneaker and having that loud accent color. Next up, I picked up these Air Max 1s in the Blue Recall colorway. The official colorway for this one is White, Blue Recall, Pure Platinum, and Tour Yellow, and once again retailed for a price of 145 Canadian or 110 in the US. This colorway I loved because I found that it was very clean. It's predominantly white with gray, and then this contrast of blue with yellow is a perfect match. I personally don't own too many shoes that have this blue and yellow sort of Michigan Wolverine color combination, so this was a welcome addition to the collection. So my last Air Max 1 pickup was actually a Air Max 1 Premium version in the Wolf Gray colorway. So these Air Max 1 Premium editions were slightly more expensive. They were 175 Canadian dollars or 145 US dollars. The official colorway for this one was Wolf Gray, Cool Gray, and White. Whereas the previous three Air Max 1s were predominantly mesh with accents of nubuck and suede, this one is pretty much entirely constructed out of suede. Because of the premium materials, this is why this shoe had that $30 increase. Similar to the Desert Sand colorway, which was the first one that I showed you guys, this one also is very versatile and very wearable. With different shades of gray on the upper, this pretty much goes again with anything that you want to wear, and I really liked how the suede upper gave it a little bit more of a luxurious touch. So with all four shoes now unboxed, now let me lace up all of them and show you guys how they look on feet. For me personally, I find that a shoe doesn't need to be necessarily limited or a collab for it to be fire. Case in point, these 4 sneakers that I picked up, I personally really like all 4 of them. So let me know in the comments down below which one of these 4 is your favorite and which one of the 4 is your least favorite. Also, I'm curious about your opinion whether general release sneakers like these 4 can be considered heat, or is that strictly a term that you guys leave for more limited releases or collabs? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram as well at esco8, and be sure to check out my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you guys for the continued support, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.